Hello everyone, welcome. This is Vinny. I'm going to, I told you at our class yesterday in the Monday noon class that I was going to be making a video for you guys to kind of look at, because what I'd like to do beginning with next week's class is show you some steps you haven't seen before. And so what I've done is I've taken a couple of different dances that are choreographed, and I've taken a couple of pieces from like 2 dances and put them together just so that you can get familiar with the steps. Now we're not going to be, what I've decided to do is just do them all as one wall dances. That way you don't have to worry about the turns, because I know how sometimes we get discombobulated when we turn, or discombobulated, whatever the correct terminology is. But anyway, so what we're going to do, and the 3 steps that we want to focus on these 2 videos, is going to be the rumba step, the mambo step, and then we're going to do 1 coaster step. Now those 3 things themselves are done in a lot of the dances that you will learn over time. So again, rumba, mambo, and coaster step. So the first dance we're going to do, it's a combination of 2 rumba dances, one called Little Rumba and one called AB Rumba. So I've taken steps from both of them. So what we're going to do is we're going to start out. Weight's going to be on the right to start this dance. Weight's going to be on the right. That's different than what we've done. So a rumba step. So I'll try to take my time and explain the step. So we've done step together step before, but we haven't done what a regular rumba step which would be step together and then step forward. And then we hold on that 4th count. And then we're going to go out to the right. So we're going to do a side together, step back and hold. So let's just do that again one more time. So it's side together, step forward and hold, keep the weight on the left foot, and then side together, step back and hold. Weight should be on the right. Do that again one more time. So it's side together, step forward and hold, side together, step back and hold. So that would be your basic rumba box. You go forward and come back. You can also do it going back and coming forward. So what we're going to do is 2 sets of these. We're going to do it again forward, and then I want to show it to you going back. So you do a side together, step forward and hold, side together, step back and hold, and then we're going to do a side together and step back, side together, step back and hold, and then a side together, step forward and hold. So you can see that in rumba, those rumba steps, you can do them going forward, going back, and you can interchange them. Sometimes you start out going to the right. Most of the time you start out going to the left with these rumbas. So that would be the first half of the first video. So let's do that again from the beginning. Weight on the right foot. You do a side together, step forward and hold, side together, step back and hold, side together, step back and hold, and a side together, step forward and hold. Do it one more time with the count. So it's 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8, 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. So these are just a little bit different than the side together sides, because instead of going out to the side, you either go forward or you go back. That's the only difference in them. One more time. So that's the first half of the first video I want to show you. So let's do that again one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. So you do a side together, step forward and hold, side together, step back and hold, weight on the right, side together, step back and hold, weight on the left, side together, step forward and hold, weight is on the right. Now I want to show you sway steps. So on sway steps, what you're basically doing is moving the upper part of your body, and you're changing the weight on your feet as you do the sway. So you do a sway to the left, weights on the left foot, back to the right on the right foot, back to the left on the left foot. So on the steps that I'm going to show you today, we're going to be doing a hold after 3 counts. So you do a sway, 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 and hold. So the weight's on the left foot. And then we're going to do it with the right, sway, sway, sway and hold, weight's on the right. So you do 3 sways and a hold, 3 sways and a hold. So it's sway, sway, sway and hold, sway, sway, sway and hold. And then the last 4 counts, or actually 8 counts, steps that I want to show you, is what we're going to do what's called a cross rock, where you're crossing one foot over the other and then coming back home, putting your foot next to the other foot. So you do a rock across with the left, weights on the left foot, weight back on the right on count 2, step home on 3, and hold on count 4. So it's cross, recover, step home, and hold. And then you're going to do the same thing with the right over the left. Cross, recover, step home, and hold. So it's rock, step home, hold, cross, recover, step home, and hold. So you're just crossing your foot over, similar to a rocking chair. It's like the first half of a rocking chair, but then you just step home and hold. So it's cross, rock, step home, and hold, cross, rock, step home, and hold. Now when I say step home, that means the weight should be on that foot you're stepping home with. So it's cross, recover, step home and hold, weights on the left. Cross, recover, step home and hold, weights on the right. So let's put all of those steps together. The rumbas, the sways, and those cross rocks. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's side, together, step forward and hold. Side, together, step back and hold. Side, together, step back and hold. Side, together, step forward, hold. We're going to do a sway, 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 hold. Sway, 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 hold. Cross, rock, step home and hold. Cross, rock, step home and hold, weights on the right. And that would allow us to start all over again with those rumbas going out to the left. Let's do it all the way through one more time with the count. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Weight is on the right foot. So let's do it to music. Let's do it to music, and then you guys can restart and start the dance and practice as much as you can. You can watch these on YouTube. I will send you, once we get done and when I get it all downloaded, I will send each of you the link to the YouTube video. And we'll have the two videos on, 2 dances on the same video. Five, 6, 7, 8, side together forward, side together back, side together back, side together forward, the sways. Now right, the cross rock, home and hold, cross rock home, then the rumba. Right and forward, 3 to the left, 3 to the right, cross rock home. Start over with the rumba, side together forward, side together back, side together back, side together forward, 3 sways. Begin now with the right, cross rock home. One more time. Sways. Now with the right. Rumbas. Side together back, side together forward, sways. Cross rock home. One more time. All right, so that would be the first dance showing you the rumbas, the sways, and the cross rock home. Now remember, when you do the sways, The sways is more the upper part of your body. We do the hips before. The hips are down here on the hips. But this is a sway where you're just swaying to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left and hold, to the right, to the left, to the right and hold. Now most of the time when we do sways and dances, we do 4 counts. But in this one I only wanted to do 3, just to be consistent all the way through with those holds on the 4th count. So that would be the first dance. Now the next one that I'd like to be able to, that I want to do it's going to show you the Mambo steps. The Mambo step and the 1 coaster step that I mentioned. So a Mambo, well actually we start this dance out with those same rumba steps that we just did in the other dance. But we only do forward with the left and back with the right. So the way this dance starts out is you do a side together, step forward and hold, side together, step back and hold. So we just do those. Just do the first rumba box. It's called a rumba box because you're going forward with the left and then back with the right. So that would be the 8 counts. So it's 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. So now we're going to just actually walk back, beginning with the left foot, and each time we walk back, we're going to have a hold after we walk. So you do a back hold. So that'd be 1, 2, 3, 4. So right now the weight should be on your right foot on count 4. Now I'm going to show you a coaster step. So most of the time you can do it with either foot. But this is a left one because we're obviously doing it with the left foot. So on count 1, which is count 5, you step back with the left. Count 6, step back with the right. Count 7, step forward with the left, and then we hold. So let's do that again. So you step back, step together, step forward and hold. So it's back, together, forward and hold. And all you're doing is the weight, every time you step back, the weight should be on that foot. So you step back, weight's on the left. Step back, weight's on the right. Step forward, weight's on the left. The weight should stay on the left. All right, so let's add that to what we've already done on this dance. We do the rumbas, the 2 walk backs, each with a hold, and then that left coaster step. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's side together, step forward and hold. Side together, step back and hold. Back hold, back hold. Back together, forward and hold. That was a coaster step. Back together, forward and hold is what we call a coaster step. Now we're going to walk forward again, but we're going to begin with the right foot this time. And again, each one will have a hold. So you step forward and hold, step forward and hold. That's count 4. Now in the regular dance, we do a quarter turn here, but we're not doing that. I want to show you just a regular Mambo step going forward with the right. So a Mambo step. Step forward on 1, actually count 5, back on 6, step on 7, and then hold on 8. So it's 1, 2, 3, hold 4, but in this case it's 5, 6, 7, 8 because it's the second 8, 4 counts. So it's rock forward, recover, step back and hold. So it's on the weight's on the right foot, on the left foot, step back, hold, weight's on the right foot. So it's rock forward, recover, step home and hold. Similar to that cross rock, but we're not crossing over because we did the cross rock in the last dance. We did the cross rock, step back and hold. Well, this is very similar except we're doing it going forward. So rock forward, recover, step back and hold. So it's 1, 2, 3, hold 4, but in this case, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. So let's add that to what we've already done. The rumbas, the 2 walk backs, the coaster step, the 2 walk forwards, and then we're going to do that right Mambo step going forward. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So you do side together, step forward and hold, side together, step back and hold, back hold, slow coaster with a hold, forward hold, Mambo, forward hold. Weight's on that left. Now we're going to do side Mambos. Out to the left and then out to the right. So I rock out with the left side Mambo. You rock out to the side, weights on the left foot, rock back on count 2, weights on the right, step together on 3, weights on the left, and then you hold on that 4th count. So do it side, recover, home and hold. Side, recover, home and hold. Same thing with that right side. The next one we're going to do it going out to the right side. So it's side, recover, step home and hold. Weights on the right foot when you're done. So the count would be 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. And you're just, again, shifting your weight. So it's 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. So the tendency is you're going to want to step together, but you don't. You keep, when you go out to the left, you keep the right foot in place. So it's side, recover, step home and hold. And then when you do it with the right, you keep the left foot in place. Side, recover, step home and hold. So it's 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. And then the forward mambo, again, if you step forward with the right, you keep the left in place. Forward, recover, step back and hold. We actually could do it going back with the left. We're not in this dance, but you could do a left, back, recover, step home and hold. Doesn't matter which direction you go, whether you go forward, sideways, you can either do cross rock mambos. Actually, those cross rock that we stepped on the last dance were pretty much similar to the mambo steps. That was the reason I showed them to you. So let's put this whole dance, all the steps together in this dance, which are the two mambo steps, or the two rumba steps, walk backs, the coaster, walk forwards, the forward mambo with the right, and then the two side mambos. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So do a side together, step forward and hold, side together, step back and hold, back hold, back hold, back together, forward hold, forward hold, forward hold, mambo, forward hold, mambo to the left and hold, mambo to the right and hold. We're going to do that one more time at the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8, 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8, 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8, 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold on that 8th count. So let's do this. Let's do it to the music. I'll do it a few times. And then you guys can actually watch it and practice it, hopefully, before next Monday's class. Five, 6, 7, 8, side together forward, side together back, back hold, back together, forward hold, forward mambo with the right, two side mambos, left and then right. The rumbas, back hold, coaster, back together forward, walk forward, mambo right forward, side mambos, left and then right. Rumba. Back hold, back together forward, forward hold, mambo forward, side mambos, left and then right. Start over. Forward mambo, then the side mambo. Couple more times. Forward hold, mambo forward, two side mambos. Then the rumbas. Back hold, slow coaster, back together, forward hold, mambos, forward and then side. All right, well, I hope I hope you guys can have a chance to watch those steps, review them, and have some idea of what we're going to be doing over the next few weeks. It certainly is a joy having this class. I know how intimidating line dancing can be if you don't know what you're doing, and you guys have done a fabulous job over the first couple of months. So hopefully you continue to come, because that's the key, is to make sure you come as often as you can, because the more often that you repeat these steps and do them, then the easier they'll they'll come when I tell you to do a vine or a jazz box or whatever. Then you'll know what it is, and over time you'll start being able to do it without actually trying to remember the steps. But anyway, so the more often we can do this, the more we can repeat it, the easier the dances will get. Again, hope to see you guys next Monday, and enjoy the videos, and again, take care and stay safe.